Guys, Alex here again. Today, doing some more unboxing with the Target Mystery Cubes and a few legendary duelists. Now, sorry if I sound so tired in the last one. Just don't know what happened to me there. So I'll try to be more energetic for the next few videos. But for now, let's get into these unboxings. I just went to Target today to buy these. I hope you guys will enjoy it. See what we can get from here. We got Dracuity Javelin, Photon Current, and Return Soul. Interesting. Some foam. More cards. Great Moth. Stonial, can't say the name, Alliance. Second Boomerang. And Armored Change. We also got the Nordic Structure deck from the Legendary Hero decks. Let's see what packs we get now. We get the Invasion and Chaos pack, Reiko Shadows, and two Legend of Blue Eyes Dragon packs. So what we get from the other one. I can't say that these packs are really good, but they're not that bad because they can give you cards that you don't have for some low currents, like Tool Devastator packs. Let's see what we get from here now. Battling Boxer Shadow, Heroic Challenger Assault Halberd, and Gagaga Magician. So far, interesting choice of cards. More foam. I forgot what structure this deck is, but I remember it. I just don't remember the name. Another Invasion of Chaos. Got Breakage of Shadow and two Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon packs again. Let's see if we can get from here. Let's first open the Breakage of Shadow with the top. We get Engraver of the Mark, Wizard Buster Destruction Sword, Destruction Swordsman Fusion, and a secret rare, Performa Pal Pendulum Sorcerer. Not so bad on the first one. Super Heavy Samurai Beast Kyubi, High Speed or Re-Level, Dynamis Kratos, can't say it right, Super Heavy Samurai Craft Defense, and Almirage. Don't know what's wrong with me today, guys. Sorry. But so good. We got one secret so far. See the second pack. Hornbow Rain Goat. Dynamis Stegosaurus. Super Heavy Samurai Magnet. Pendulum Storm. Shiranui Spirit Masters. Shiranui Samurai. Form Trump Girl. S508. And Dynamis. So far, those two packs are not bad. They're actually pretty good. Now, Chaos. And these are old packs. You don't know what you're going to get from here. But let's hope we can get something good. And Chopper. Bogunion. Sorry, I can't say anything right. Primal Seed. Grand Manju the Eyes. Compulsory Evacuation Device. Torpedo Fish. Terror King Salmon. Drama Dust Hurricane and Soul Explosion. Not bad so far. Can't say it's gonna be. I can't say I'm certain to get anything good out here. Let's see what we can get. A Hero Emerges, Stumbling, Pin Chopper, Dusk Kangaroo, Robin, Nail Bug, Total Shock Weapon, Monitor 10,000 Hands, Fiend's Mirror. Okay. So we got these two. No supers or ultras. Now let's see what we can get out of the Legend of Blue Eyes, our dragon pack. Red Medicine, the 13th Grave, Mizuru Root Water, Dragoness the Wicked Knight, Dark Gray, Purification, One-Eyed Shield Dragon, and Mystical Sheep number 2. Okay. That's the first pack. Let's see what we can get from here. Root Water, Umi, Yorubui, Forest, Reaper at the Cards, Steel Ogre Grotto number 1, Legendary Sword, and Warrior number 1, and Remove Trap. Okay. Set third pack. Musaki the Legendary Swordsman, Man-Eater, Hinotama. Ooh! Flame Swordsman, Super Rare. Not bad actually. Pretty good. Dragon Capture Jar, Armored Starfish, Kagamusha of the Blue Flame, Dragon Treasure, Inkumufuko. I can't say that. Last pack, Legend of Blue Eyes. See if we can get. Strong is it? Hinotama Soul, Red Medicine, 13th Grade. Ooh! Gaia the Dragon Champion, Secret Rare. Dragoness the Warrior Knight, Enchanting Mermaid, Dissolver Rock, Sparks, and Flame Inhibitor. Okay, so far it's been good. I got 2 secret rares. I got 2 secret rares and 2 super rares. This is pretty good pack opening so far. Now then, let's open these legendary duels. Let's see what we can get from here. Oops, sorry guys. Sorry if the camera's moving. Let's see what we can get from here. Don't get it. It's so hard to open. Okay. Ooh, we got Red Eye Slash Dragon as one of the cards. So let's see who we get from the Yugioh, like Field Tension looking. Dr. Velian Prowler, I can't say his first name right. Not bad, let's see what we can get from here. Not easy to open, are they? Let's see. Super Vectoroid Mobile Base, Toon Alligator, Magician's Fitness Magician, Crystal Beast Emerald Tortoise, Toon Defense, Crystal Bond, blue color, Heavy Metal Raiders, also the same blue color, and Machinary Scavenger. Okay, not bad. Red Eyes in Sight, Toon Gemini Elf, Metamorphosis Insect Queen, Crystal Beast Sapphire Pegasus, Crystal Release, Advanced Dark, Cards of the Red Stone, the Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon Reprint, Time Machine, Relinquish. Next pack. Let's see. The Black Stone of Legend, Miniature Black Dragon, Red Eyes in Sight, Toon Gemini Elf, Metamorphosis Insect Queen, Cards of Red Stone, Cyber Dark Dragon, Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon, Time Machine, Eminence Onslaught, Millennium Eyes Illusionist, Desperado Boral Dragon, another Machina Scavenger. Cyber Dark Teal, Crystal Tree, Red Wyvern, Cross Dimension Duel, and Toon Soldier. Okay. 2 of the packs have been the same so far. Let's see if this one will be different. can't say that all the packs have been bad, to be honest. Pretty good so far. Hope you guys enjoying this. I'm sorry if I'm not talking too much. I just don't always feel talkative sometimes. What is it? Ooh, Red Eye Fang with Chain. Not a bad track. Go with my Red Eye Slash Dragon. Along with Evil Underwood. Would have been good if we got Cocoon of Evolution with that guy. Let's see what we can get. I'll try doing an opening of the new Megatins 2020 Lost Memories. But I can't make any promises. Let's see what we can get. Okay. For Cannon, Crystal Blessing, Ancient Gear Frame, Cyber Deck Edge, Ancient Gear Reactor Dragon, Amazon's Call, the blue color, again, Rainbow Bridge, and Curse of Dragon, the Cursed Dragon. Alright, nothing new. Barrel Dragon, Super Backward Mobile Base. That's it. Nope. To an Alligator, this is Faceless Magician, Crystal Piece Emerald Tortoise. Let's see. So yeah, I'll try to talk more, but I can't make any promises to it. Red Eye's Flare Metal Dragon with the same blue color. Red Eye's Black Dragon with the full text, not Red Eye's B Dragon. This time Red Eye's Black Dragon. And Melfi Rabby. Interesting. Yeah. Cyberdeck Inferno, Crystal Release, Corrosive Scales, Necroid City, Cyberdeck Claw, Cyberdeck Cannon, Malefic Red Eye's Black Dragon, Advanced Dark, Ancient Gear Reactor Dragon, Ancient Gear Frame. Alright, last box. Let's see what we can get from here. Let's see. Can we get another Red Eyes? That's the one card, or can we get something else? We'll just have to wait and see. 2 packs, and see the promo. Oh, it's right there. Oh wait, one more pack here. Oh, it's not about to fight. There we go. We got Ancient Gear Fusion with. Let's see what character we get this time. What do we get? Joey Wheeler. Okay, last 2 packs. Let's see what we can get from here, guys. Red Eyes Toon Dragon, Metamorphosis Insect Queen, Ancient Gear Golem, Toon Mermaid, Ancient Gear Wyvern, Mixed Roid, Black Dragon's Chick, Toon Bluster Blader, Crystal Beast Ruby Carbuncle, Backward Connection Zone, Amazon's Baby Tiger, Toon Table of Contents, and another Melfi Rabby. That can go good with the new support that came out of the new Resident Duelist. Video uploaded on an unboxing there. Toon Defense, Legendary Ocean, Ancient Gear Golem, Ancient Gear, Ultimate Ancient Gear Golem, Cyber Deck Heal, Cyber Crystal Tree. Alright. That's packed. Let's see what we can get from here. Legendary Ocean, Rainbow Refraction, Rainbow Path, Crystal Beast Amethyst Cat, Red Eyes Retro Dragon, Heavy Metal Raiders with the greenish color. Oh, we didn't even see them. It's another blue color. With a green color, different color for once. Citadel Whale, and Bury the Kairyu-Shin. Different card this time. And we got all 3 of them. Red Eyes Insight, Yugioh Golem, Red Eyes Dark Dragon, Meteor Black Dragon, Tuning Yugioh Golem, Turn of the Red Eyes, Tomb Buster Blader, another Red Eyes Dark Metal Dragon, Cyber Dark Dragon, and Parasite Paranoid. Alright guys, that's it for the unboxing today. So far, we pulled some good cards. We got the secret rare Pendulum Sorcerer, a super rare Flame Swordsman, and a secret Gaia, the Dragon Champion. We got these two structure decks, the Nordic and Labyrinth Nightmare, I think it's called. These three good secrets. Alright, thanks for tuning in guys. Bye!